How to fix YouTube full screen settings. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your YouTube full screen settings. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open up your YouTube app. Then you have to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. And then here you have to tap on settings. And in settings, tap on general. And here in general you have to turn on zoom to full screen. So turn this on and now go back and play any video you want. So now you can see that I can zoom in or zoom out how I want. So this is how you can fix YouTube full screen settings. Thanks for watching.